Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang.
Guys, ziyakhala kushubile, it is shubed. Nhlanhla Lux, the former leader of the Operation Dudula movement, has been exposed. Rumor has it that the guy is the ANC and has been allegedly fooling the members of the movement. This is according to Twitter streets. They are now calling Nhlanhla Lux Ramaphosa's puppet, the president's puppet. This was revealed when Nhlanhla Lux posted a poster of the DA mayor that had details about the meeting place in Soweto and took it to his timeline on Twitter and wrote, "Comrades, morning. Another hot date with Johannesburg Mayor Dr. Mpho Phalatse, Saturday 6th August 10 a.m. at the Jabulani Amphitheater. #service delivery. #Soweto Parliament. #Soweto." People came guns blazing on the comment section. Chips are very angry at Nhlanhla Lux. One chip wrote, "I heard you made a U-turn on Dudula people. You left them hanging. You're also dating a Somalian and you're not apologetic." Well, if these rumors are true, hey, this guy is really shady sham. Not that there's anything wrong with dating a foreign national. I just can't picture the vocal Dudula guy doing this. Another one said, "Oksalayo, you are a sellout. You are in bed with the ANC. Hence, you always treat it with soft gloves. No one will take you serious going forward. Tech, yo." A lot has been said about Nhlanhla Lux. Others are saying Malema was right about him. Another one said, "You are still using people to peddle your way to your political interest. Forget Baba, you are dealing with smart people in Soweto." Well, in my opinion, if these allegations are true, I mean, if he's always been an ANC person from day one and all along he's been fooling people, that's really bad. It's true what they say, never ever trust a politician. Remember, he used to say Dudula is a movement, not a political party. Now the guy allegedly wants to form a political party. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.